Hey everyone, I'm Harley Sitner. I'm the owner here at Peace Vans in Seattle, Washington. We're a family of businesses focused on helping you get outside, enjoying nature. We have a van rental business and we service classic Volkswagen vans and we build modern campers. And where it all started is what we now call Peace Vans Vintage. It's our Volkswagen vanagon repair shop. We are the largest VW camper van repair shop in the US. And people bring their vans from all over the country for us to work on. Incredibly proud of the team we have in the vintage shop. Each one of them would be the best vanagon technician in any other shop in the US. And we have 4 of them. It's a privilege to sit in there and watch truly craftsman mechanics work every single day. Peace Vans Rentals has a very simple mission. It's to help you make incredible memories by providing you with a vacation of a lifetime. And if we can get more people on more road trips and creating more connections with their family, I think we can really make a difference. One of the things that really differentiates our rental business is the team that live and breathe to make your vacation amazing. And we're here to help you plan your trip too. It's just that personal touch is so meaningful to us here at Peace Vans. It's really the team is what delivers that experience. I'm proud of the business we've built, but I'm more proud of the team we've built. One of the #1 questions people would ask us, like, where is the modern VW camper? So we thought to ourselves, someone needs to be thinking about this. And Mercedes had just announced the Metris. And we were like, whoa, that's actually a really interesting vehicle. We bought a few Metris vans, we started putting them together, and people saw them and were like, oh my God, that's it. We knew we had something really special, but it's an absolute phenomenal complement to the vintage VW. Our Mercedes Metris project is much like everything else we do at Peace Vans. There's an incredibly high bar for quality, for safety, for performance. We wanted to produce something that really felt like a Peace Vans product. And a Peace Vans product is nothing but the absolute best, whether it's a rental experience, whether it's service on your vintage Volkswagen van, or whether it's this Mercedes product. It's just the highest quality. The experiences that we see people have with these vans is truly astounding. And Peace Vans is a container for helping people make memories, experiences, helping people connect, and I'm eternally grateful to create kind of a larger imprint than what you could normally do. And that really is the mission, is to create that kind of feeling of exploration and spontaneity, and anything can happen on a road trip. It's the journey, it's not the destination. If what we do excites you and you're interested in it, just reach out to us and we'll be here for you. Because we actually believe we have something important to do for the world and we'd like you to be a part of it.